Hey guys, Jessica Cabesi here. I'm here with Rachel and Daniel behind the camera of Mango Street, and we are here to recreate our subscriber photos. Or my subscriber photos.
Maybe both.
Maybe both, probably both.
They should.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
So in this video, we're gonna be recreating the photos that you guys submitted for the photo critique and just making them into our own style and kind of doing them somewhat similar, like photographing them in a similar fashion and trying to see how close we can get it to what you guys took. This video is purely for fun.
Yours is for fun, but I'm submitting mine to festivals.
You're submitting it to a festival? Is it the Harvest Festival?
That was so solid.
Well, Harvest Moon has a Harvest Festival every year in the game, and I always attended it in the game. And I used to have like 5 cows, and I had alpaca.
Okay, we can go.
So without further ado, let's get started. Before we begin, a quick message from our sponsors. This video was brought to you by Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, or an online store, make your next move with Squarespace. Squarespace has an all-in-one platform that is super easy to use, customizable with tons of award-winning designer templates, and offers 24-hour customer service support. So whether you're a photographer like me that needs a portfolio site, or you have a small business, they have something for everyone. You can start your free trial today by going to squarespace.com/Jessica. Use offer code Jessica for 10% off your first purchase. Now, let's get back to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna pose Rachel for the first subscriber photo. It looks like she's in like a greenhouse or of some kind, and this kind of mimics the background that I see here. We have kind of the same outfit. I'm gonna basically have you like looking up a little, maybe have your arm right there, and it looks like the model is like twisting her body this way. So like switch legs, have this leg over this leg, yeah, just like that, and then you're just gonna be looking up towards me.
Towards you?
Yes, like down towards me.
Are you a professional?
I'm not a professional. It's all for style. It's all for looks. Hey, this is kind of gonna look the same. This is cool. Okay, bring your body up bring your body up and like tilt it this way. Yeah, the other side of your hair. And then tuck that side to the back. Yeah, just like that. Kind of just like you're looking down on me like I'm a peasant.
I don't know how to look at peasants.
Well, you're staring at one. So. This one's tricky. Like chin this way. There you go, just like that. Okay, I think we got it.
Good.
Okay, so that one, it was like a good training exercise. That was good.
It was a good training.
This is fun. You guys are giving us a run for our money, and I don't have that much money, so let's go. Okay, so we're on to the next photo, and we need direct sunlight for this one. We got the magnifying glass. Couldn't find a green striped shirt, but it's green. It has white in it. It's close enough. So we're gonna go ahead and go to where all the sun is and take a picture with a direct sunlight and a nice blue sky in the back. We have a little section of blue. I'm gonna try to get it in the shot. I don't know. Probably have to like patch tool it in. Just clone stamp everything. So yeah, it's really getting down to the wire because the sun is setting, but I think we're doing pretty good so far.
Like this?
So like that, yeah, but then she got rid of, like she put that down. Yeah, like that. I feel like I'm your mom, like, okay, sweetie, you ready to go to school?
I know. I feel so nostalgic during this.
Okay. You ready? So you're gonna be kind of covering your eye a little.
Pocket.
And doing just that.
And like towards the lens, right?
Yeah. Oh my God, this is so hard. Okay, hold on. Okay. How did this girl get the blue in there? This is impressive. I don't know how she did that. This one's not going well. Okay. We're working on it though. It's working out. Like, where did this girl take the picture? In Greece? Like, I don't understand where all this blue is coming from. Bring it so that we see the shadow like right under your belly button.
Oh, the shadow of this?
Yeah. Wait. But then like bring it out even more towards me. Yeah. Yeah, we're kind of getting there. Yes. Okay, perfect. You stay right there. Okay, I think we did it. We got as close as we can. Okay, so another photo that we're doing is a guy who's sitting in his car and he's reaching for the mirror. So we have Daniel here, who's the guy who's gonna be looking at himself in the mirror. Okay, so just kind of like reach your hand out here and then have your other hand, like you're about to fix your hair. You're about to go out to the after party at the Oscars.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, that's the only party I know about.
Do we look at the lens or at the mirror?
You look at my lens.
Okay.
Let me see the picture, let me see how like low it is. Okay, bend your elbow. There we go, yeah, just like that. And like kind of, yeah. Just get a little closer to your car. Yeah, you're like kind of like leaning out a little. Like you're trapped in there. Like you're locked up. Like you didn't pay the cab fare and you're trying to get out. Can you just wear your white shirt actually? Can we do that?
Oh yeah, don't bunch it up.
Great job, perfect, okay. First of all, I just want to know why you turned your car on when we were taking pictures. Daniel came, turned on his car, and then like just sat in it. He's really taking this photo shoot very seriously.
I want it to be realistic.
Okay, so we're gonna do maybe one more. I mean, the light is fleeting away, so we're gonna try to catch it. Let's go, let's try to do one more. It smells great in here. It does. The outfit, the farmer thing, I'm sorry. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, so this is the last photo and I am the model for it. So I'm just gonna, this is the easier one, right? We got cars and we have a building and we're just gonna do a regular portrait pose. So she's like pointed towards the cars. She's like this, right? That's it. Yeah, how is she kind of standing? Like,
So it's like facing straight this way and then just kind of like
looking?
over
Okay.
a little bit.
okay, so it's like straight and then.
Something shady. It's like a little bit of a like a.
I see you.
Yeah.
I see what you're doing over there. Okay.
Okay, but like a little bit of like a. I don't know how to explain it, but like the
Damn.
Sticking out more?
It's yeah, it's like the neck is
You
going
like crane your neck a little bit.
like that.
Okay.
It's somehow getting worse.
I know. I'm like gonna have like neck arthritis. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. This is so awkward. Is this not right?
Yeah. Whatever that is. I can't even tell you guys apart.
We're twins. Wow. I love our outfits together.
I
Like,
know,
where are we
it's
going? Where are we going after this video? I'm going to the office, and
But where?
Rachel's gonna like milk a cow, and then harvest crops, and I'm gonna go pitch like a yogurt commercial. So, recreating subscriber photos. How did we do?
I think that we did okay.
We did it pretty good.
Yeah, I think you did a great job with the camera.
Thank you. I found this really difficult and really hard, but it was mostly fun.
Yeah, I think for beginners it helps them like understand the like where the photographer's head was when they were taking the picture.
Angles, lighting,
Yeah.
all that stuff. Those are some of the things that can help when you try to recreate something. And we really hope you guys like the pictures. We weren't trying to make them like exactly like them, but just kind of similar.
Yeah.
So let us know how we did. We'd love to thank Daniel and Rachel from Mango Street. I also did a collaboration with them. It's gonna be on their channel, so go and check it out. We're gonna have a link to that. Leave your thoughts below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.